Hi, I'm Kelly from Let's Craft and today I'm going to make a little vase out of a recycled jam jar. So what do you need for today's project? You need a jar, some sort of jar that's soy sauce, vinegar, pesto, jam. I'm going to use a jam jar, and you need some garden twine or rope or yarn or anything you can wrap around the glass. You need some PVA glue and some scissors. So I'm just unraveling my twine a little bit, getting ready for my project. I'm going to wrap the twine around my jam jar, and I'm going to start from the top of the jam jar, gluing it, and work downwards. Start your project by gluing the top and just start wrapping your twine around the top over that glue. So I'm working away on my project, and I do about an inch or half an inch or a centimeter at a time. So I put glue on, and then I just wrap my twine around the project. It's really easy. Working with the jam jar is quite an easy glass jar to work with, and I just wrap my twine around it. The glue is sort of watery glue, but it's sticking really well to the jar, and I think I'll just need the one layer of glue underneath the twine, and I don't even think I'll need another layer of glue on top. Okay, I'm really fast forwarding, adjusting the speed now so you can see the project develop from the middle all the way to the end. And basically I just keep adding glue and keep just wrapping my twine, my garden twine, around my glass to make the little vase. And you would think this project would take quite a bit of time, but it actually only took me about 10 minutes to do. Once you start, it's a little bit slow to get the beginning, but then once you get going, it's really quick. And then towards the bottom, it would just be sort of cutting and securing the last piece with a bit of glue as well. This is a fantastic way to recycle glass from around the house, and it's also great, a great home isolation project. So just save your pesto jars, jam jars, soy sauce, vinegar jars, wash them out, and this is a great project. I'm just securing the very bottom piece with some extra glue, and that's it, been finished. So here's my garden twine covered jam jar, and I left that to dry overnight, and it's dried really well. You can see I missed a few wee places with my twine, so what I'm going to do to finish it off is I'm just going to tie a bow around it. Tie a bow around my project to finish it off. So I had so much fun making my little vase out of the jam jar and wrapping the garden twine around it, and it was so easy. So I've decided to make a little trio of vases. So I've got a vinegar jar or something like that here, and I'm also going to use a soy sauce jar. So yeah, with this vinegar style bottle, I'm just going to decorate the very top and the middle. So I'm just looping the twine a little bit to secure it, and then I've added my glue, and I'm just going to keep looping that twine around the bottle. It's so easy to do. It sticks really well. Actually, was using a little bit too much twine there, and then it didn't want to stick down, but all I had to do was add a little bit more glue and squish it down with my fingers, and yeah, that's it, done. So here I'm decorating my vinegar style jar, and I'm just putting some glue in the middle, about an inch or a centimeter worth, and I'm just going to wrap my twine around that middle bit. The glue really holds that twine well. For this piece I will put a little bit of glue over the twine, over the top of it at the end, just secure it down well, and I've already added glue to my very top. I'm doing 3 little pieces, jam jar, soy sauce jar, and vinegar jar. I'm not going to show the soy sauce jar being done, but I'm doing them all slightly different, and I'm going to display them together with little flowers from the garden. I hope that you'll give this project a go and let me know how you get on.